Good day to you all. I'm my name Khadija Muhammad Nasir from Kebbi Capital College International, and I'm here to present a poem titled A Nation on the Wings of Poetry. No one chooses where to be born. God gives us to anyone, anywhere. Interestingly, we love it wherever we are thrown. Good, bad, rich, poor. We love it anyway. Consciously, we are lame. Consciously, we are indoctrinated. Of course, according to our parents' faith. Then from there, we begin to hate. This is so sad. Please do not segregate because we are all one. Do you know that Amir would have been Chike if he was born to Ahmadi in the southeast and probably in a different religion? Do you know that Pastor James would have been an imam if he was born to Abubakar in the north? No one chooses where to be born. If I could choose, I would have chosen the beautiful bricks of Delta because I love water. The nutritious food in Bakery, the rich culture of Hausa, the beautiful weather in Jos, and the amazing forest reserves in Taraba. You see, just if I could choose, I would be confused because the options are too many. Although I could not choose, and even though there are differences in our cultures, traditions, and religions, one thing binds us all: love. The love of metaphors cooked in rhythms, the love of the voices of poets that brings us together, the likes of Neo Sindari, David Diop, Alhan Islam. So I am not bothered I could not choose, for I am a Nigerian and we are all one. Even more, poetry lives within our hearts. Thank you.